Ladies and gentlemen, Kim here. Welcome to the daily update. Hope you guys had a good day trading today. Market is up about 0.2% on the S&P, Nasdaq. Similar there. Semiconductor up 1%. Dow up a little bit, 0.1%. Small caps and transport up about 0.3, 0.6%. Banks made a move, bigger move today, 1.2% there. Energy 0.7, biotech same. Healthcare down a little bit. Home builders up 1%. Retail pretty much flat along with the utilities. Emerging markets same. Bitcoin flat. Gold, silver miners down a little bit today. GDX did get hit harder today though. Dollar flat. Oil up 1%. Treasury bond down 1%. VIX is down 4%. Let's stick with S&P. Spider 65-minute chart here. So what we talked about on the last night's update is that the market is correcting through time because market did see a big move last week, earlier this week, as you can see right here, right? So you saw that big rallies we've seen last 3 trading sessions ago, not including yesterday's price action, obviously, because we pretty much grinded all day yesterday, correcting through time. We did make a move. We did make new all-time highs today. You can see right here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is where it opened, right? And then we did make new all-time highs. Intraday basis here, we got up, made new all-time highs, sideways, pull back a little bit towards the last hour. Just grindy day today. Something, after a move like this, and you would expect something like that, market digesting its gains, consolidation pattern, correcting through time all day, which we talked about yesterday. So let's zoom out a little bit and see some of the levels here. So levels haven't changed, still same level since we talked about yesterday, but 448 will be that micro-term level, right? Micro-term resistance. That's the level just created today because we got above it today, right? We just made a move to the upside. So this is the micro-term resistance that happened yesterday. We broke above it. So 448.50 will be micro-term support, and then 447. My short-term moving average currently residing at 446.9. It gotten above this gap area. My secondary is currently residing at 443, kind of guarding this level here. So should there be any kind of shenanigan, any kind of like a gap down, 2% down there, something like that, you want to see 445, 443 levels to kind of hold. And the gaps usually provides more solid support, especially both of my moving averages are residing in that vicinity. So let's check out the oscillator and see if we can extract any more information. So oscillator is actually kind of curling down here. We weren't able to curl back up. There was some kind of a little bit of whipsawing action there all day today and yesterday, you can see, but we were never able to truly cross up. And with the last hours, a little bit of downturn there, it kind of crossed back down. We do have a slight case of a bearish divergence here, as you can see. So when you see, it has a light case, right? It has certain characteristics of that bearish divergence. This can be nullified if we do see that oscillators are kind of crossing back up here. And so, but oscillators kind of telling us that potentially if we do see some weakness, we could potentially see, bears using this, this climate where bulls are kind of tired, taking advantage of that situation to bring it down. That's kind of what the, oscillators telling us. There's a little bit of bearishness with those, oscillator lines curling down. But again, as we talked about the last night's video, that we've seen this before where, when we're in the phase of correcting through time, we can see something like that, and then where it crosses back up, and then, it might come back down a little bit and go right back up. So I don't want to put too much weight on this bearish divergence, but know that, the price is hitting that overbought level. Bulls are tired, they're resting. Only question is, are the bears going to take advantage of this situation, bring it down? We talked about 447. We talked about the moving averages area and the gap area, and that will be important. I'll come back. We will re-examine. We'll go from there. Enjoy your evening and good luck trading tomorrow.